Prepare yourselves, because we have just uncovered the truth behind the headline you've all been buzzing about. MrBeast fired Chris Tyson. It's been an explosive few days in the YouTube world. Just a week ago, the internet was ablaze with rumors and speculation about the alleged termination of MrBeast's longtime collaborator, Chris Tyson. As MrBeast's right-hand man and a key figure in his philanthropic empire, Chris has been an integral part of the channel's success. But why would MrBeast fire someone who played such a significant role in building his brand? Let's dive into the details. To understand the situation fully, we need to rewind a bit. Over the past few months, there have been whispers in the YouTube community about tension brewing behind the scenes. Some fans noticed a decline in Chris's appearance in MrBeast's videos, and others pointed out subtle differences in their interactions. This led to wild speculations and endless theories about what was really going on. Despite all the rumors, there was no concrete evidence to support any of the claims until recently. Our investigation uncovered a series of cryptic tweets from Chris Tyson himself. In a now deleted tweet, Chris wrote, "End of an era. It's time to move on and start a new chapter." This tweet, along with a few others, sparked a frenzy among fans, leaving them with more questions than answers. As fans desperately tried to decode the cryptic messages, one eagle-eyed viewer spotted something significant. In a recent video uploaded by MrBeast, Chris Tyson was noticeably absent. This absence spoke volumes, as Chris has been a prominent figure in almost every MrBeast video since the channel's inception. So, what could have happened? Was it a fallout? Did MrBeast replace Chris with someone else? After hours of scouring the internet, we finally stumbled upon a piece of evidence that shed some light on the situation. We found a tweet from MrBeast himself, addressing the rumors surrounding Chris Tyson's departure. In the tweet, MrBeast clarified that Chris hadn't been fired, but had made the decision to step down on his own terms. The tweet read, "Chris has been an incredible asset to the team, and while we'll miss him, we support his decision to pursue new opportunities." So, it seems like Chris Tyson voluntarily left the MrBeast team. But what prompted this sudden departure? To find out, we reached out to sources close to both parties and got exclusive insights into what transpired. According to our sources, Chris Tyson's departure stemmed from a desire to explore new horizons and pursue his own creative projects. While working with MrBeast, Chris had become a recognized figure in the YouTube community, gaining a substantial following of his own. However, his ambitions went beyond being known as just MrBeast's friend. Chris wanted to establish himself as an independent content creator, telling his own stories and building his own legacy. This aspiration for personal growth and creative independence seems to be the primary reason behind Chris's decision to leave the MrBeast team. While working alongside MrBeast, Chris had undoubtedly played an instrumental role in the success and growth of the channel. But as time went on, he realized that he wanted to carve out his own path in the YouTube landscape. Chris had developed a unique style and storytelling ability during his time with MrBeast, and he wanted to explore new horizons where he could unleash his creativity to its fullest potential. He wanted to establish himself as an independent content creator, telling his own stories and leaving a lasting impact on his audience. This desire for creative freedom is a natural progression for any ambitious individual who wants to leave their mark on the world. It's important to note that despite Chris's departure from the MrBeast team, the bond between him and MrBeast remains as strong as ever. Their friendship goes beyond their professional collaboration, and they continue to have a deep respect and admiration for each other's talents. While some may have speculated about tension or conflict leading to Chris's departure, the truth is far from it. MrBeast, being the supportive friend and mentor that he is, fully understands Chris's desire to explore new opportunities. Rather than harboring any ill feelings or anger, MrBeast has been nothing but supportive of Chris's decision. This level of understanding and mutual respect speaks volumes about their friendship and the healthy dynamics they share. In fact, since Chris's departure, MrBeast and Chris have collaborated on multiple projects, further cementing the fact that their bond remains intact. Their friendship transcends the professional realm, and they genuinely enjoy working together to create compelling content which their audience loves. These collaborations between MrBeast and Chris show that they complement each other's strengths and bring out the best in one another, which undoubtedly contributes to the success of their joint endeavors. Their continued collaborations are proof that despite Chris's decision to pursue his own creative path, he and MrBeast are still a powerful duo capable of producing awe-inspiring content. So, what does the future hold for Chris Tyson? Well, now that he's embarked on this new chapter of his career, we can expect to see him create content that reflects his unique style. With his experience and the lessons learned from working alongside MrBeast, Chris is undoubtedly poised for success. And of course, we can't wait to see what he brings to the table. As for MrBeast, he continues to be a force to be reckoned with on YouTube, using his platform to make a positive impact on the world. While Chris has embarked on a new chapter in his career, he carries with him the valuable lessons and experiences gained from working alongside the legend himself. So of course, the knowledge he acquired during his time on the team, with his unique perspective and storytelling abilities, positions him for remarkable success in the future. Tyson's departure from the MrBeast team doesn't signal the end of an era. Instead, it marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for both him and MrBeast. As they continue to support and collaborate with each other, their individual journeys will undoubtedly flourish, ultimately benefiting their respective audiences. While Chris's departure may have left a void in his team, we're confident that MrBeast will continue to innovate and deliver jaw-dropping content that captures the hearts of millions. The truth behind the headline, "MrBeast fired Chris Tyson," has finally been revealed. It turns out Chris's departure was driven by his desire to explore new creative avenues, and it was a mutual decision between him and MrBeast. So it's crucial to emphasize that the strong friendship and mutual respect between MrBeast and Chris remain unwavering. Their collaborations post Chris's departure exemplify their unbreakable bond and their ability to produce exceptional content together. As they embark on their individual paths, we wish Chris all the best on his new journey and look forward to seeing the incredible content he'll produce.